A couple of years back, we had a hailstorm and it damaged this white trim that goes around the window. I didn't know what it was called back then, but I found out it was called Glazing Bead. This is a vinyl glazing bead. When I was searching for it, it was expensive. It was like $10 to $20 for 6 feet, but I found it at Granger for like $2 and something for 6 feet. I'll have a link in the description. This is in the front yard, and this is what made me say, okay, now it's time to replace it, because it was chipping here. The first one was in the backyard, so it wasn't a big deal. This is the side of the house, and it really needed it too. So I noticed on the bottom, it's perfectly flat, but on the left and right sides, they cut an angle to it. So I'll do the same. Here's the vinyl glazing bead. So now I just have to try to take this out. Some of them are easy to take out, and then some are a headache, like this bottom piece right here. It's so sun-baked that it just chips, kind of turned into powder, and it's difficult. I couldn't take it out. It's so tight in that section right there that you couldn't just pull it out. So it just wants to break, and there was no way for me to get it out. I tried different things, no luck. I'm not sure what to do. So I did come up with an idea. I can get it as flat as I can, and maybe just try like siliconing a piece of that glazing directly to that bottom part of the window. So the plan is, I'm just gonna cut the lip that was supposed to slide between the window with some scissors, and then just apply some silicone to it, and then just stick it to the window and see how that goes. So now you can see the right side went in pretty good. There was no issues. And this bottom piece, I just siliconed it. So we'll have to see how that works out. Probably give it a day or two and then check it out. But so far so good. Now it's time for the backyard. I'm just gonna speed this part up. Just trying to take it out and put it in. If you see that bottom left window, it's cracked down there. I tried to take that one out, and I had the same issue as the front yard. So I was gonna wait till when the weather is warmer, like summertime, and see if it does anything to that stuff. Maybe it's easier to take out. If not, then I'll just do the same thing I did in the front yard. Just break it all off and silicone a piece on there, because it kind of looks bad just leaving it chipped like that.